down, burn it down. Burn it down.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Praneeth Talks and I'm back with another video also. So in this video I got you a budget tripod. So let's see the features. So this will come with two-way head with adjustable plan, with steady rubberized legs, with bubble head adjustable portion, and multi-purpose with quick release, and with camera with DV camera and all DSLRs. And if you talk about specifications, it will come max with 6 kgs and it will come with maximum height 1800 with 5.90 feet with folded height 730 meter. Maximum diameter is 30 meter and minimum cube diameter is 23 meter. And weight will come 1850 grams with 3 sections. I think you guys can see. I hope you guys. So next, let's open the package. So you'll get one polythene cover. Open now. So you will get with one bag. So we'll talk about the features about the bag. The bag is bell quality and other things are good only. And we'll open the tripod. Oh wow! We'll get again polythene cover. Oh. And here is our tripod. Yeah. So this is made up of aluminium grip, and this tripod you will get with grips, and you will get quick release lock also. Let's show you. Yeah, it's coming out. Yeah. I don't know how to fix it. Let's be back. You should have some experience for this. So this is the 3-way head, and you can adjust here for different size. You can take like this, like this, like this, like this. If you want like this, we can do like this. And talking about the build quality, pros and cons. So the tripod is good enough for budget who starts like recently YouTube channel or second YouTube channel or food cooking channels. So for those people it's enough. For this tripod is enough, and we can make still height. I'll just show you. Okay friends, so this is the tripod. So this is the handle which you can move the camera 360 degree up and down, and if you want you can change the handle to different angles. Yeah, that one. and here you got here one bubble marker, here one, and here one. So you got two sides bubble marker, and this is Digitek 530D. So here we got grips, and here we got two legs. Actually every tripod has 3 legs, so extra thin leg. So in this tripod you will get only 2 legs, so this one and this one. And after keeping down the tripod, here you can lock so that it can stand and you can take videos. So this is the video. Thank you so much guys. Hope you like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon too if you are new to my channel. Guys, I'll just show you what is the height of this. So this is the height. I'll just show you when this also. Yeah guys, this is the height. It's almost my height, 5.5 feet. Thank you guys, hope you like this share and subscribe this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.